Welcome back, my dear students, to class 9 chemistry. Today we will talk generally about the introductions of alcohols. Okay, so you know that alcohols, what does it mean? It is alcohols is simply, we can say, organic compounds. Here we will talk about alcohols. Okay, generally alcohol. Okay, alcohols. Okay, keep in your minds about alcohol that their general formula you can also represent it with ROH in chemistry. Okay, ROH. In every compounds, when you are going to see OH, so OH belong to alcohol family. Okay, OH belong to alcohol family. So it means that all alcohol family members, that there must be OH group. So if there must be OH group, so it means OH is their functional groups. Okay, it's what? It is their functional groups. Functional groups. Okay, functional groups. So here is, for example, if you have a compounds, the first example of some examples of alcohols. Some examples of alcohol belong to alcohol family. Some example. The first one is methanols. Methanols. Okay, methanols means, meth means one carbons. Meth means one carbons. Okay, so if we have one carbon there, so it must be like this, CH3OH. This is their formula, CH3OH. Okay, CH3OH is their formula. Keep in your mind that methane, if we are changing alkane family by OL, so OL, it must be in the last, therefore all of them. Okay, for example, if you think about it, the second ones, which we call it ethanols. What we call it? Ethanols. Okay, so ethanols, look at here, ethane is changed into ol, ethanols. A in E is replaced by OL. From ethanes, E is replaced by OL. So if E is replaced by OL, so it must be called alcohol. It must be belong to alcohol family. So what will be their formula? Ethanol, C2H5OH will be their formula. Okay, so we call it ethanols. Okay, same like for propanols, but the two commons which are in your books, these the common examples which are the most important example in your books is about methanols and ethanols. Okay, third one, you can also write it down as the formula of propanols. Propanol, you already studied about propanols. So prop means 3 carbons, so there must be 3 carbons. Okay, C3H7OH. This will be their formula. You can also same like you can also give the name to butanols, write it down the formula: butanols, pentanol, hexanols. And for a different compounds like pentanol, hexanol, heptanols, and all of them, they have the general formula, that their general formula is ROH. Or you can also write it down, so CN. This general formula you can also represent it by this CnH, H2N plus 1 OH. OH must be there. So look at here, simply it become alkyl groups. What? It become alkyl groups. So we call alkyl group, we are represented with the help of R. Okay, so if you have 2 carbons, how many carbon? 2 carbon, and you are going to calculate it for 2 carbons, so very easily you can find out, instead of n you should put it here 2, C2H, 2 multiplied by 2, because 2 carbon n is here, so plus 1, so it will become what? C2H5, and you will attached OH here. So this will be their molecular formula. Okay, you can also draw their structure formula very easily. Simply, if you want to draw the structure formula for propanols, so propanols you already studied about propanols, that propanols Propanols. Keep in your mind that their formula is C3H, their molecular formula is C3H7OH. How their molecular formula is C3H7OH? From the general formula you can find out it, okay? Propanol CnH2n plus 1 OH. So from this general formula you can find out this molecular formula for propanols, okay? If you want to draw their structure formula, so simply you know that there must be 3 carbons. Prop means 3 carbons, okay? All of them, they are connected by a single bonds with each other, and you know that here must be hydrogens bond, but with the last carbons, at the last carbon you can see that there must be OH groups attached here. Look at here. So how many hydrogen here already you know? You can count it here. Count it. Okay, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hydrogen is here already with alkyl groups, and you can see OH is already here. So such type of structure formula you can draw it for all of them. For example, if you want to draw it for ethanols, what? For ethanols. Ethanols, okay. So you know that the formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. Is their general form, is their molecular formula. If you want to draw their structure formula, so you have 2 carbons here. They are bonded to each other by a single covalent bond, and all of them must be connected with the hydrogen atom. All the carbon atom must be connected with the hydrogen atom, and in the last you have OH over this. So OH, this is their structure formula. This is their structure formula. So I think today just it is enough for today. See you in the next class about the nomenclatures of alcohol, that how can we give the name to alcohol family members. So see you inshallah in the next class. Bye bye.